Welcome guys, so today I want to show you how you can wake your voice assistant on your Android or iPhone with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. So at the first you have to be sure that in the Huawei AI Live application, on the gesture section, you have this setup. Take a look. You have to switch to the pinch and hold, and you can set it up for the left or the right. For example, let's make it on the right. And you have to set up the wake voice assistant. So right now, when we pigeon hold the right one, we are going to wake the voice assistant. So take a look. We have to pigeon hold in this place. As you can see, we easily enable this Google Assistant, and that's how we can make it. Very simple, as you can see. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.